Each time you were there, holy orange bottles. Each night I pray to you. Desperate people find faith, so now I pray to Jesus too. And I say to you, ooh, soon you'll get better. Ooh, soon you'll get better. Ooh, you'll get better soon. 'Cause you have to. I'm making so many mistakes, but it's fine. At least this is the second time I'm doing this, so it's probably better than the first time. But whenever I record, it's like easier to notice the mistakes. I know delusion when I see it in the mirror. You like the nicer nurses, you make the best of a bad deal. I just pretend it isn't real. I'll paint the kitchen neon, I'll brighten up the sky. I know I'll never get it, there's not a day that I won't try. And I say to you, soon you'll get better. Ooh, soon you'll get better. Ooh, you'll get better soon. 'Cause you have to. And I hate to make this all about me, but who am I supposed to talk to? What am I supposed to do? If there's no you, this won't go back to normal, if it ever was. It's been years of hoping, and I keep saying because I have to.